Alright, in this video I want to show you how to switch out a radiator. There's a new one over there against the tire. But I got to pull this one here out. I've already started getting the bolts out. There's bolts across the top of it here. Then there was a couple, one right here on the fan and one right here. And then this whole top piece comes off. Then of course you got your cooling transmission lines. I've already took those loose. That one, and there's one down there, right there. Got those loose. And there was this little rubber hose right here. Got it loose. So basically I got everything loose except that bottom main hose down there, the big line. All the way down. I don't know if you can see it. I'll pull that off, and then this whole radiator will just lift up out of here, and then we'll put the new one back in. Okay, as I said, I had to take that big hose loose down on the bottom, and I believe that's all that's holding this thing in there. That's it. Okay. So I already know we have a problem here. Our fittings on this old radiator are different than the ones on the new one. I want to have to take these pieces out that they sent with it and then get a fitting that goes from this side reduced down to this size. But other than that, this should go right back down in there. So I'll run to the parts store and take these two radiators with me so they can see what I need. And get those two little fittings, and then we'll put this back in. Okay, I went to AutoZone, ended up having to go to Napa, but I got the right fittings. I don't know if you can see the difference. This is the new fitting, and this is the old fitting. The old new fitting that I don't need. Anyway, I'm gonna replace those two. Snug them down real good. And then we'll set it in the car. It's pretty much just that easy. Get all the pipes lined up. Got that one slipped on. See, now this will fit in. This tubing will fit in here, right? Once I get it all sit down in there, right? But I'll go ahead and button some of it up, and then I'll show you the end. This bottom transmission line's being a booger, but I finally got it started. Finally. I was about to get aggravated and just quit. But I got her. Now the rest of the job should take 10 minutes. So I'll get it buttoned up. Okay, now that we got those two transmission lines and our big radiator hose hooked up over there, I got the radiator lined up in the right spot, so we'll take our cover here. It just goes right on there like that. Takes a couple screws there. And then the screw here for this fan. I usually twist everything in by hand first, just to make sure everything goes smooth. I hate working on cars, and I don't do it any more than I have to, but this is a simple repair that anyone can do. So, what the heck, I'll do it. Got 2 more screws to put in, one there and one here. And then I gotta put this hose here on. And then I gotta put water in it, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, I got the radiator in, got all the water in, it's sitting here running, and it's not overheating. So luckily we didn't do any damage when the radiator blew. Brittany's ready to go, and that's the end of this story.